Hello, OPHIUCHUS. This is your channel messages for the 13th of May. OPHIUCHUS, let's see what is in your messages for today. OPHIUCHUS. Let's see what's up for you. Let's see what's up for you. What's up for you, OPHIUCHUS? I'm getting something about being left stranded. Okay, let's go. We have the 7. Yeah, somebody steals something from you and leave you stranded. I'm not sure if someone's stealing your documents, they must steal your money. I'm getting somebody to steal something from you and leave you stranded. We have the king. I'm getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius stole something from you. Then plan for leave you stranded. That was the plan. They're gonna steal something and leave you stranded. Somebody might be a spy, or them work military, or they're a hacker. We have the Empress. You stole from the Empress? Or me getting you stealing something from someone else to give to the Empress. Is either you stole from the Empress? Gemini, are you a thief? Libra, Aquarius? Me getting this Empress don't know what you do for work. Me getting you're a hacker, or you're a con artist. No, rarely I can say, it's okay, I love him because he will con anyone except me. Bitch, wait the fuck up. I don't know if that's real. Okay? But me getting something about somebody steal. Me getting what somebody do. Me don't know if this is stealing or them a plot. Them a do something behind your back for surprise you. We have the Empress here. That's like a stealing from the Prime Minister's daughter. We have the Hangman, and we also have the, yeah, literally. That's like a stealing from the daughter of the fucking Prime Minister. Did you steal money? Me getting a stealing, me getting inheritance? Or me getting something about you feel like it's unfair because this family have so much money, but them abandon or them neglect the Empress. So me getting you rob the family. Something like that. Like for example, you're saying, your son need help. Your son is struggling paying bills and him family have money. Me getting like your orchestrate for rob the family. For the son. Or, okay, says a girl. Me getting you saying that the Empress don't have nothing but the family have money. Me getting you rob the family for her. Me know what, me know. Me getting you saying you're gonna rob the family. The family, one, because you're saying she's the Empress and she's alone. Then you're seeing the family, the 10 of Pentacles. And you say how the family mean. The family spend money upon each other, and look how it's like you're saying this is the prettiest member of the family is being treated the worst. Yeah, because them are the prettiest. Me getting a saying you're gonna rob the family for the Empress. And you don't feel bad because the Empress was supposed to get it anyways. The 7 of Swords is clarified by the 6 of, yeah, I'm literally getting something like Robin Hood. You're stealing from the rich to give the poor, but in this case, you're stealing from someone's family to give them family. I'm getting also something about a lot of identity, a lot of documents. I'm getting a stealing a lot. It's a lot. You have a lot of different identities. You have a lot of different people you stole from. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The King of Swords is clarified by the Judgment. Yeah, me getting somebody gonna be charged for theft. But me getting something like me getting the circumstances under why you stole. People like, yeah, I would have done the same thing. Me getting you're stealing from a family for a family member. That's like somebody father have so much money, so you con the father for give it to the daughter. This is what I'm seeing. The Empress is clarified by the Ace of Swords. Yeah, because you're saying somebody rightfully supposed to have something. And them not get it. The Hangman is the 7 of Pentacles, and the 10 of Pentacles is the 2 of Cups. I don't know. I feel like, okay, say you have a father and daughter. I don't know if the father is in love with the daughter. I don't know if the father have some sexual feelings for the daughter. That's why okay, so I'm getting there's an Empress here. Beautiful woman. I'm getting she have a very wealthy father or wealthy family. No, me getting you're saying, why is it that the family always spend money? The family look like them wealthy. The family is always together, but the Empress is alone. Perhaps somebody father now give them the money because them want secretly fuck them daughter. It could be that. And maybe somebody father girl and say how, you know, somebody, I don't know what them say about the Empress, but you can clearly see that out of everybody, the Empress is the prettiest. The Empress is the most poised. The Empress don't even have a lot of people around them. And you're saying the Empress is so perfect. Why is the family saying such nasty things about her? I don't know if this is your father or your grandfather says something nasty about you. Or the father say how you're spoiled, you don't want to talk to him. Me getting somebody have sexual feelings for them daughter, or somebody have sexual feelings for them granddaughter. That's why the daughter not talk to them. But the person I met the public, it's like the person I met the public think that somebody spoiled and stuck up and she rotten. That's why we write her out of the family will. Me getting the reason why she not talk to the family is because it look, me getting something about your father treating you like him wife. Your father treat you like him girlfriend. Maybe you might find out that somebody is not your father at all. Somebody raised you, but they're not your father. You might find out that. Because I'm getting something, I'm getting the feelings feel romantic. And yeah, I said, I don't know. It's like I said, why the Empress alone when the whole family is over here? But Two of Cups is dating. Maybe someone's father is dating a young woman like him daughter, and the young woman don't want him talk to him daughter. It could be that. Because you see, him old, but the young woman young. Him have a baby. He has a child with this young woman. This could be his daughter. So it's either the new woman, what your father or your grandfather dates, no want you in. Him no want you send no money and him no want you help your own daughter. Or me getting something about the father or the grandfather saying, oh, somebody spoiled them, disrespectful, them not get nothing because them not want to talk to the family. But me getting the reason why the Empress not talk to the father or the Empress not talk to the grandfather, me getting something sexual like one. And the Empress can feel it. Because it's like you're saying, your father have money, why you broke? For example, and then the Empress I go say to you, yeah, because every time I talk to my father, I want to talk to me like my girlfriend. Or maybe every time you talk to your father, he might talk about his girlfriend to you and you don't want to hear nothing about that. Maybe you have a mother and him have a new wife. You don't want to hear shit about the new wife. Or you're saying something about 10 of Pentacles, your family have enough money. Why you not have none? And you're the prettiest, you're the smartest. You're the most poised. It could be because she's the prettiest of the family, so the family blacklist her. Or me getting somebody father, some type of incest relationship, like somebody father, the father love of them daughter. And every time the father talks to the daughter, there's a lot of sexual things happening. So the daughter stop talking to the father. And with that, the father withhold money. It could be something like that. Come and getting your tea from somebody family, forgive them. But yeah, I said, well, why you not just ask? Me getting somebody family member have romantic, sexual feelings for them. That's why them not talk to them none at all. So if you're wondering why the whole family have money but the Empress don't. Because that's a secret what the whole family I keep. You get it now? You get it now? Or you were just thinking that someone was a spoiled illiterate brat? No, someone grandfather or someone uncle or someone's brother or someone's father want them. That's why them broke. Because in order for them to get part of the money, they have to be romantically, sexually involved with their own family member. They're like, fuck that. Yeah, MK Ultra. Is either you show me your tits, even though you're my daughter, or you not get no money. MK Ultra. Or someone's trying to convince you that fucking your own family member is okay. Keep it in the family. Capricorn. We have a number 2. We have the soul was sold. We have Venus. And we also have Scorpio. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.